wanted a leisure facility with cardio, and then I wanted an area where you can do your strength and conditioning. So I wanted two separate zones, and so in my head I gave them what I wanted, and then they just implemented that on a 3D program for me. And actually just seeing it on actually 3D just gave me more belief on what I wanted. And then I can change then. If I wanted more cardio, I could put in more added cardio, and you could do that. And without really seeing it on a 3D, you wouldn't really see what's going on because you're kind of going in more blindfolded. I definitely would choose Max Sports and Precore. From the attention to detail and all the strength equipment, they are here from day one, and it took them 3 days to install this facility, which is crazy. That just shows their commitment and their attitude to get everything done right. And as you see here today, it's second to none. It's one of the top gyms in Killkenny, and I'm very, very proud and very satisfied to say that. And that's all down to Max Sports and their team. The staff has been excellent. The service has been unbelievable. If we needed anything done straight away, they're down the next day. I chose Max Sports because simply I just believe they're the best. You know, the research done on the gyms, most big commercial gyms had Max Sports involved. They're over maybe 20 years, 30 years involved in this game. So in terms of their knowledge and research they've done and what works and what doesn't work were very important for me and for my team, because we didn't know. And having them backing us and supporting us all the way through from day one to the finished product has been marvellous.